Hey guys, it's Dylan here with Desert Water Plumbing. Just got finished setting up a water heater for a family in need.
My name is Bonnie Reeb, and this is my home, has been my home for over 20 years. Recently, we discovered the water heater was all corroded, and so we contacted Desert Waters Plumbing, and they have come out, and they are so easy to work with. Wonderful, wonderful company. Integrity, easy to contact, easy to stay in touch with. So I'm just so delighted with the work that they've done. Thank you so much, Desert Waters Plumbing.
Be sure to give us a call for any of your plumbing needs, or check us out online at www.desertwaterplumbing.com.